everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to not care what others think of you. I'll be going over 6 strategies that truly work. I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, do not care what other people think about me. Other than a handful of people, my wife, my kids, my parents, my sisters, nieces, nephews, very small group of people. Aside from that, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I love lots of people, but I truly don't care at all what they think about me. And these are 6 of the reasons why I've gotten to this amazingly incredible place in life. It's great to be here, and I'll tell you what worked for me. So these are 6 strategies that honestly work because they work for me. Number 1, build extreme confidence through your accomplishments. Not everyone agrees with how I do things, but my accomplishments speak for themselves. I've built an incredible life for my family, for myself, my wife, our kids, even for my parents, right? I built an incredible life even for them. They helped me, obviously, as I was growing up, and then now I am able to give back to them, right? So that is enough confidence that I don't care if people agree with how I do things or what I do, okay? So be accomplished, and that's how you'll build extreme confidence. Not confidence, like extreme confidence. Number 2, fill your schedule. Every night before I go to bed, I make a massive to-do list for the next day. I have no desire to finish the to-do list. I just want to get through as many things as humanly possible. So with that being said, fill your schedule for the next day. Any downtime might be spent starting to care about what people think. If your schedule is full, you have no time to care what people think. That's where I'm at. Like I said, honestly, I'm not trying to brag, and I don't care if you think I'm bragging. But it's amazing being here. It's fantastic. Number 3, keep into perspective whether or not their opinions matter. Like I said, there are people whose opinions I care about. If my mom or my dad or my sisters, brother-in-laws, nieces, nephew, wife, kids, not necessarily in that order, but if any of them tell me like, I don't agree with what you're doing, or maybe this isn't a good idea, I actually stop and think about it, and I care what they think about me. But anyone else, go ahead, talk away, brother, talk away, sister. I don't care what you're saying. It doesn't bother me. Some people come up to me, they just tell me straight up, like, they're telling me that they don't like what I do. No problem, bro. It's all good. You don't have to like it. You gotta see the comments I get on the channel about people don't agree with what I'm doing in a video. Like thousands of comments over the years, tens of thousands potentially over the years of negative comments. I don't care. Because in perspective, their opinions don't matter to me. Certain people's do, theirs don't. Number 4, forget about perfection. Listen, perfection doesn't exist. Perfection is subjective, okay? Even if there's something like a test that you can get perfect on, you get 100% on a test. Good, you got 100% on that specific test, but to someone else, that test doesn't matter, so perfection doesn't exist on that test because it doesn't matter the same to everybody, okay? Forget about perfection. Number 5, focus on the people that matter to you. I mainly try and impress 5 people. My wife and my 4 kids, okay? And then obviously I want to make my parents happy as well. And then trickling down the line, my siblings, brother-in-laws, I have 2 sisters, brother-in-laws, nieces, nephews, so forth. But at the end of the day, the people that matter to me, I know who they are. Some random person on the street doesn't matter to me. I mean, basically anyone else other than those people don't matter to me. Of course, if you reach out to me with a message on Instagram and I respond back, you know, I care about you, but I don't care about your opinion on me, right? And that's just straight up. That's how it goes. Number 6, be true to yourself. Don't be fake. I am as real as possible. I literally hide nothing. Just the other day, I was wearing my glasses. A couple days ago, I was wearing my glasses, and I had to go see a doctor for something. I had to go see a dermatologist for something. It's all good. Nothing's wrong. It was just to double check something, right? And I wore my glasses, and my glasses have miscolored rubber bands wrapped around the arms of them because as I shaved my head, I lost a couple pounds. So I guess maybe I lost like some I don't know, some size over here as well. And my glasses were just super, super loose. Plus my daughter stepped on them the other day, so they got all out of whack. I bent them back into shape, and the glasses were still loose. So obviously I think my daughter stepping on them probably has something to do with them not fitting, but it's all good. Anyways, so I had rubber bands wrapped around them so they don't fall off every time I look down. I'm wearing contacts now, but on the weekends I wear my glasses. I went to the doctor's office and she was staring. I was like, what are you staring at? And then I realized, oh, you're staring at the red and blue rubber bands on my black glasses. So I told her, listen, I know it looks weird, but I explained to her the situation. She started laughing. She said, you know what? It's a sign of a good parent. You're just doing what you have to do. I said, exactly. You know, my daughter stepped on them. They're all bent out of shape, but it's all good, right? Because I don't care what people think. I would have went to there with the glasses like this, to be honest with you. It went out to the doctor's office. It wouldn't have bothered me because I'm true. Don't be fake. Be true to yourself. Know who you are and flaunt the living daylights out of that. Be true to yourself. There's nothing wrong with you. Or don't ever think there is. Nothing wrong with you. Be true to yourself. That's it. That is how to not care what other people think. I love you all from the bottom of my heart, but I don't care what you think about me. Straight up. I want you to be the same way. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.